actually easy. So I bought some slime right here, and it's a DIY slime kit, and I'm gonna see if my grandma's here so I can make it and stuff. Mommy right on left. So she left, and I'm gonna make the slime before she comes. She's going to church for 2 hours, so I have a really good time. So this is from a big bucket of slime, DIY slime. Just gonna show you what I have in here. I'm not gonna make it. I'll show you the reveal in the next video. So it comes with the white glue, slime activator, clear solution. What is this? Foam balls. Guava scent. And garlic scent. I'm gonna smell these. They smell kind of bad. I don't like the smell of garlic. Then they come with tablets to color, some glitter, some eyeballs, and some gold glitter, and the glow in the dark powder. I can make glow in the dark side. So yeah, you'll see the reveal of the slime in the next video. Bye!